This Champions Award-winning team will receive an advancement to the World Festival First Lego League Championship, which will be held in Detroit, Michigan, starting April 25th and running through the 28th. Let's see. By chance, do we happen to have any first alumni here today? Anybody? Okay. Couple. Fantastic. All right, here we go. Champions Award recognizes a team that embodies the first Lego League experience by fully embracing our core values while achieving excellence and innovation in both the robot game and the project itself. The judges had this following to say about this stellar team. Research was very extensive and members were passionate about reusing gray water. They presented their model featuring both pros and cons in a great wrap. They were very flexible in their robot design and built attachments with tolerance.
Wow!
Our first league champion team for 2018, GEARSHIFT!